Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Dan from DHTV, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can play your Android games using a PS4 controller. Now the process is extremely simple. All you need is any Android device and your PS4 controller. Let's get started. Now the first thing we're going to do is open our settings application and we're going to tap on our Bluetooth options. You want to make sure your Bluetooth settings are on. It may be in a different spot on your Android device, but just make sure you can access it and turn Bluetooth on. Now from your PlayStation controller, you want to enter it into pair mode. It's simple, just press on the share button and the PlayStation button at the same time. You'll see the light start flashing. So there it is, it's now flashing. And on your Android device, you should see it pop up somewhere. If you don't, tap either refresh if there's an option, or just turn your Bluetooth settings off and then turn them back on. And it should look for any new devices. So you can see wireless controller appeared. We'll tap on it. It'll begin pairing. And throughout this time, you'll also see your controller still flashing. All right, and now that it's connected, you can see your wireless controller is connected. So we'll just open up this game here. This is a racing game, and it's allowing me to use the controller really nicely. There's hardly any lag, if any at all. Very responsive, very console-like. Now keep in mind that if you are planning to use the controller with your Android games, that not all games are supported. So I'll place a link in the description. You can check that out. It'll have a bunch of games that are supported with the PS4 controller. And if you know of any games, leave them in the comments below or even on the webpage so that you can add to that list as well. Now just to go over a couple of other things, if you have iOS devices, you can use this type of controller right here. There's a link in the description to the full review and how it works, so you can use it with your iOS devices, whether it's an iPhone or iPad. Works very similar. And also, if you want to take things one step further, I recommend using a wireless charging stand like this one. I'll link you in the description to one very similar to this with good reviews. This one, unfortunately, they don't seem to make anymore, but it gives you that effect. That way you can play on a stand and it's kind of that TV feel. Also, it charges the phone, which means you're not going to burn through all your battery life. Obviously, your phone must have wireless charging capability for that to work. So that is it. If there's any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more videos. It really helps me out. Take a second to share it with your friends on social media. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.